In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a template for Wix 2026. If you have a site that you like and you want to reuse its structure again and again, creating a template is the right approach. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to click and what information to enter, so your template is created smoothly in Wix Studio. To begin, go to your Wix Studio workspace. This is where you manage design, pages, and template-related tools. Make sure you are signed in and that you are looking at the main Wix Studio dashboard, because the next buttons only appear in the workspace area. Once you are there, you will be ready to open the template tools. Next, click Templates. This section is specifically for working with template items, including creating new templates or starting from existing ones. When you click Templates, you should see a screen that focuses on template options. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the template area, not general site settings, because this is the place where the workflow for template creation begins. After that, click your template. This may be a section or a list area that relates to templates owned by you, depending on how your workspace is arranged. The goal here is to choose the template area that will be used as the basis for creating your new template entry. Look for the option that clearly matches your template list so you can proceed correctly. Now click Create Template. At this point, you are telling Wix that you want to set up a new template so other sites can reuse it. Clicking Create Template typically opens a setup flow. Since this is an important moment, check that the page has changed to a creation wizard before you continue. Then click Start from an existing site. This option matters because it determines where your template content and structure will come from. Starting from an existing site is a convenient way to ensure your template reflects the design choices you already made. Once you select this, Wix will ask you to choose which site you want to use as the starting point. Now you will select your site. Find and choose the site you want to base the template on. This should be the site that already has the layout, pages, and styling you want to reuse. When you select the site, confirm that the correct site name appears in the selection field so you do not accidentally choose the wrong project. After selecting your site, click Continue. This step moves you to the next part of the template setup. It is also the moment when Wix confirms your chosen source site, so if the selection looks correct, you can proceed with confidence. Next, you will enter a template name. This name is how your template will be identified within Wix Studio, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. You might use a name that reflects the purpose of the template, such as the type of business or the design style. Keep the name short enough to read easily in your template list, but descriptive enough that you will remember what it is for. Finally, click Create Template. This action generates and saves the template based on the existing site you selected. After you click Create Template, wait for the confirmation that the template has been created successfully. If Wix shows a loading state or a completion message, let it finish so the template is fully available for use. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.